Every digital device, from a smartphone to a supercomputer, works by coordinating several functional units. These units work together to receive data, process information, store results, and communicate with users. Understanding these functional units is the foundation of computer organization and architecture. A digital system processes information in binary form, using only zeros and ones. Common examples include computers, calculators, digital displays, and communication systems. Computer architecture defines what a computer can do, including its instruction set and capabilities. Computer organization explains how hardware components are arranged and connected to implement those capabilities. A computer system is composed of 5 major functional units: input unit, memory unit, arithmetic logic unit, control unit, and output unit. Together, these components form the central processing system. The input unit serves as the communication bridge between the user and the computer. It accepts data and instructions, converts them into binary format, and sends them to the system for processing. The memory unit stores data, instructions, and intermediate results. It provides quick access to information required during program execution. Primary memory is directly accessible by the CPU and operates at electronic speeds. It includes RAM, ROM, and cache memory. RAM is volatile memory. Its contents are lost when power is turned off. ROM is non-volatile memory and permanently stores essential startup instructions. When large amounts of information must be stored permanently, secondary memory is used. Examples include hard drives, SSDs, optical disks, and magnetic storage devices. The central processing unit, or CPU, is known as the brain of the computer. It executes instructions and coordinates all operations within the system. The arithmetic logic unit, commonly called ALU, performs all arithmetic and logical operations. It handles calculations and decision-making tasks required during program execution. The control unit manages and coordinates every operation within the computer. It directs the flow of data between memory, ALU, input devices, and output devices. Consider the instruction: add loca, R0. The control unit fetches the instruction, retrieves data from memory, sends it to the ALU for addition, and stores the result back into the register. After processing is complete, the output unit presents the results in a form understandable to users. To summarize, data enters through the input unit, is stored in memory, processed by the CPU using the ALU and control unit, and finally delivered through the output unit. Together, these functional units enable every computing task we perform. Understanding the functional units of a digital system provides the foundation for studying computer organization, computer architecture, and advanced computing technologies.